Is your low back flared up and now the pain just won't stop? Now you're worried about the simple things. You get nervous putting your shoes on. You look 80 years old standing out of a chair, and you almost have a panic attack whenever you have to pick something off the floor. Well, you aren't alone. And I'm going to teach you my 3-step process to resolve this flare up fast. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix. We've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you my 3-step flare protocol to remove this pain and then show you how to get your spine in a better place so it doesn't happen again. The first step in resolving this flare-up is calming down the muscle and your nervous system. Your muscles are spasmed and tightened up, but your nervous system is overprotective and it's causing that to happen even more. So first, you're going to lay on your back, get close to a wall, put your feet on the wall so there's a 90-degree angle at your knees and at your hips. Now first, all we're gonna do is just practice belly breathing. You're gonna put your hand on your belly and inhale deeply while your belly expands. Let your lower back melt into the floor so your spine is completely neutral, and practice deep breathing for at least 5 minutes. What this does is this increases your parasympathetic nervous system, which calms everything down. It down-regulates your system. This also helps activate your diaphragm, which then relaxes your spinal erectors. All the muscles around your lower back are super tense, but by deeply belly breathing and stimulating this area of your nervous system and the muscles in your core, it calms these muscles down. It turns them off to reduce this spasm state. Now, keeping your feet on the wall, gently rotate your knees together side to side. This begins to create some mobility throughout your hips and your lower back in a very gentle way, because we need to start to expose your low back to movement after calming it down. Go back and forth at least 10 reps each side, or as much as you comfortably can, to begin to restore some motion. Now that the lower back is calmed down, it's time to stabilize the spine and the discs so your back feels more protected. On your back, gently push the lower back into the floor, pick both legs up, and now we're going to slowly lower one leg down towards the floor at a time, tapping the heel and coming back up. As you do this, I want you to focus on keeping the air in your belly, the pressure in your belly that we just learned how to do using the previous exercise, as this will help improve intra-abdominal pressure, it will improve spine stability, and it will help activate your core in a very optimal way to begin to restabilize your spine. Alternate each leg back and forth, aim for 10 reps each side, and of course modify the motion or the range of motion if you need to. Another thing to add is this is a very low back safe core exercise. Many other core exercises involve bending and twisting the spine, and those are not movements you want to be doing in this state. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now that things are calmed down and more stable, we want to begin restoring full motion back into our spine, because you don't want to move like a robot forever and be afraid to move your body. It's okay to temporarily modify your movement if we need to be a little bit careful as we get out of this period, but you don't want to permanently modify your movement, because that's what takes you from acute pain to chronic pain. If you permanently modify your movement and you're moving everywhere with the neutral spine, afraid to bend, afraid to twist, that is not good for you. That creates long-term pain. So by going through this process in this next sequence, restoring full motion into your spine, it will remove that fear so that you're not stuck in this movement prison into the future. So now you're gonna rotate onto your stomach. Prop up on your elbows so we're putting a little bit of extension into our lower back, and you're gonna gently push up and down to begin restoring extension. As you do this, just push to the point of pain as far as you can comfortably, attempting to go a little bit further over time. This is the beginning process to restoring extension in the natural motion you need in your back. Now, as this begins to get easier, progress to your hands like you're gonna do a push-up and push up further than you could on your elbows. Once again, performing this repetitively and attempting to go further and further each time. The key to both of these variations is to totally relax your lower back and glutes. You do not want them fighting against you. If they're totally relaxed, the motion will be more natural. The mobility will be better. There will be less tension on your muscles, on your discs, on your joints, on your nerves. You want to be totally relaxed as you do this. That is what will get you the best result. Ideally getting to the point where you can perform full extension without any pain or limitation. And this 3-step protocol will help get you out of a flare-up. But the question now becomes, what do you do after that? How do you get back into the gym, back to squatting, deadlifting, running? How do you get bulletproof? Well, that's what so many people are missing in their typical healthcare processes. That you might get something to get you out of pain, but then what is going to bridge the gap to get you back to full performance? Well, you need a proper plan. And this is the exact process we've used to help thousands of people all around the world not only get pain-free, but then get back to full exercise activity within 3 to 6 months and avoid drugs, injections, and surgery. So if you're ready for an actual plan to tell you exactly what to do and when you need to do it that's specific for you, just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509 to get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. And our centralization process has helped many individuals get an average 37% reduction in pain in their first session, and other individuals as much as complete resolution of pain within as little as 15 days. So do not miss this opportunity. Text me right now. And after you do so, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and our clients' lives on how we're achieving a bulletproof low back. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in our program real soon.